In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove fields from page layouts in Salesforce. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Salesforce is an incredible tool for managing your customer relationships, and one of the powerful features it offers is the ability to customize page layouts. This allows you to display the right information in a way that makes sense for your business and leads to a better user experience. So let's get started. First, I want you to open your web browser and go to Salesforce. This is going to be your starting point for making changes to your page layouts. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all the settings and setup options. Clicking on that gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Setup. Now let's navigate deeper. In the Setup area, you'll see a section on the left called Quick Find. Type in Object Manager. This is where you'll manage everything related to your objects in Salesforce. Once you see Object Manager, click on it. You'll now see a list of all the objects in your Salesforce environment. Choose the object you want to customize. For instance, if you want to edit the account page layout, click on Account. Now you'll be taken to the account-specific settings. Look for the Page Layouts link on the left side. When you click on that, you'll be greeted with a list of all page layouts associated with the account object. Select the layout you want to edit by clicking on its name. After you click, you'll find an Edit button at the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the layout editor, which is where the real fun begins. You might notice that the interface allows you to see a representation of your page layout on one side and a list of available fields on the other. Here's the exciting part. You can drag and drop fields from the list into the layout wherever you'd like. If, for example, you want to add a field like phone number, find it on the left sidebar, click on it, and drag it to the desired spot on your layout. This makes customizing the layout not only easy, but also intuitive. On the flip side, if you have fields on the layout that are no longer useful to you, removing them is just as straightforward. Click on the field you want to remove and look for a small minus sign or quote button next to it. Click on that, and just like that, the field will be removed from your layout. Once you're satisfied with your changes, remember to click the Save button at the top of the page. This step is crucial, as skipping it means all your hard work won't be applied. With everything saved, you now have a customized page layout that shows precisely the information you want. It's all about making Salesforce work for you and your team. And that wraps it up. Remember, the ability to add and remove fields from page layouts is just one of many customization options in Salesforce that can help tailor the experience to fit your organization's needs. So play around with it, and don't hesitate to make changes that enhance your day-to-day workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video, as it helps us bring more content to you. Thanks for watching and happy customizing in Salesforce.